Hello everyone and welcome to my Resin Coaster e-course. I'm Catherine and I'm so happy to have you here. I wanted to keep this course kind of quick, to the point, about resin coasters, hit you with a lot of information quickly, and then let you guys go have fun with these. Because resin coasters are one of my favorite things to play around with in art. The possibilities are endless when it comes to resin coaster making. And in this course I will be making these specifically using the brand new resin starter kit that I collaborated with Just For You Online UK and bringing to you all. Get some really neat products in this kit that I will go over in the course. Not only will I go through step by step how I made these coasters specifically, but I will go over mold care, how to demold properly, how to pour resin into your mold in different ways to get different techniques and looks. And I will also include a bonus lesson on alcohol inks, as well as a bonus lesson using our rhombus molds to get these really cool effects here. You can bundle this with my beginner's guide to resin if you haven't tried that yet and want to. So make sure you click the bundle deal when you go to purchase this course, because you will save $20, making both of these courses together under $100, which is a great value. For my students that are already enrolled in the beginner's course, you will get a discount on this course, so check your inbox and you can enroll in this one if you would like. I hope to see you all over there, and until next time everybody, keep on pouring.